Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the hold assist on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. First thing is you're going to go into your setting and then scroll all the way to the very bottom to apps and then scroll down a little bit further to phone. Now to get on the phone here, assuming you're already on iOS 26, going to scroll down and right here is the option. By default it should already be turned on, which automatically detects when you're placed on hold, so you can step away and the phone will notify you when it's time to pick up. If you wanted to turn it off, you just click on that toggle, and if you ever want to use it again, just simply click on here to turn on. So that's how you can turn on and off the hold assist feature on iOS 26. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.